This is Axel's first time trying food. He just puts it in his mouth and then he spits it out. In and out we go. And we wait for him to want it.
I said Mommy.
He's turning away from it, so he might be done. They turn in and out about 3 times. There you go. Good job. He's practicing spitting it out. Good job. Wow. You are such a big baby.
Mommy.
Yes, you are. Is that right?
Right?
Good job. Yeah, he's keeping it in for longer this time. Oh, he's practicing spitting it out. Good job. What a good baby. Oh, he wants it back. We're just letting him process it. Think about it. Look at him keeping it in his mouth. Oh, there it went. Good job. He's looking for it. Where is it? Oh, he wants it back.
Yep.
What a good baby. You're doing so good. You're so big.
Hey, Mommy, that's so tiny teeth.
Yep, he's going to get teeth here pretty soon.
No.
He's about a week from being 6 months old.
6 months?
6 months. Good job. Okay, I think we're going to call that good for this morning. Good job. All done. Here's that sweetness. Wowie, wowie. You are such a big boy. Can you get that in there? So there's it. There you go. Oopsie. That's so yummy. Oopsie. You want some more? That is some good watermelon. He's ready for more. It's like, where is it? Slippery stuff.
No puppy.
That is so yummy. That is so yummy. You're such a big baby.
You?
Alright, spaghetti squash. See how much that is? You want it?
Daddy, lose me. I like that song.
Oh, you do?
What do you think about that? That is so yummy.
What?
Yes, he is actually eating
Say
it.
again?
He's taking a good bit in his mouth and
Open it.
chewing
Are
it
you
and
still
swallowing
eating
it.
food?
Good
Are you
job.
still eating food?
There you go.
No? Whose food is that? In the blue plate.
That's
Yeah,
Tyson's.
so you're dinner.
Daddy, where's the dolphins?
Yep.
You done?
He's a big monkey.
Axel.
Ah.
He's looking at his food. He's like, that looks good.
See him?
I don't
Here you go.
like monkeys.
You don't like monkeys?
Yes,
Are y'all done?
Yes.
You like monkeys?
All done.